And we see Rekha Gupta is finally here. She came down. Each and everyone congratulating Rekha Gupta. Everyone congratulating Rekha Gupta with bouquet. And they were anxiously waiting, desperately waiting also to see their leader and meet their leader almost like, since morning. And finally Rekha Gupta is here. She is leaving from her residence because 12:20 is the time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be arriving at Ramleela Maidan. But before that, all the 41 MLAs have to be there at Ramleela Maidan. And now we see Rekha Gupta and she waving. We see Rekha Gupta waving to her karyakartas, cadres, supporters, leaders, and accepting the bouquets. And nonetheless, this is a huge day for Rekha Gupta and her entire family. First women chief minister that BJP has elected. None of the BJP or NDA ruled states have the women chief minister. So indeed, this is a huge day for Rekha Gupta and her entire family. And we see how Rekha Gupta is waving and thanking everyone, all her voters, karyakartas who have supported Rekha Gupta all through her journey. Her journey has indeed been very tough. It was not the journey which was bed of roses, but there were several thorns on her way as well. She has worked very hard, be it as a student politics leader or as a MCD, councillor, mayor. She has worked hard as a Mahila Morcha leader as well. Now Rekha Gupta is heading slowly. Rekha Gupta's vehicle moving and leaving from her residence. We see the security and the protocol is already there with Rekha Gupta, and we see Rekha Gupta accepting the bouquets, flowers from her supporters, from cadre, from each and every one. Now the security personnel will be escorting Rekha Gupta towards Kashmiri Gate, where she will go to Hanuman Mandir to offer the prayers. But the jubilated faces could clearly be seen, and the happy face of Rekha Gupta can also be seen. We see how she is not only showing the victory sign, but she's also shaking hands with all the supporters. And this is Rekha Gupta, first image of Rekha Gupta, first visual of Rekha Gupta from outside her residence. And how Rekha Gupta is meeting, and how everyone is greeting her. That indeed the visual speaks a lot. She's a humble person, she's a very grounded person, and we see whosoever is giving her the portrait and bouquet and flowers, garlands, she has accepted each and everything.